Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to place an order in Temu. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to find an item that you would like to check out. All right. For example, I'd like to find a case for my phone. Maybe this one right here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tap on View Options. And then I'm going to go ahead and select a variation, okay, for my phone case. Maybe I'd like to use this color, next color number 3, and make sure to set the quantity and tap on the model if asked. All right, tap on Add right here at the very bottom. And then once done, you can now go ahead and tap on your card. If not, close it, go back to home. Again, right here, tap on your card. And then I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the item is selected. Now at the bottom right, tap on Checkout. Okay. And sometimes there will be a minimum of, for example, right here, I'm from the Philippines, the minimum order would be 280 pesos. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and add in more. If not, you can go ahead and just tap on Checkout. All right. Maybe I'm just going to go ahead and add in a belt. Add this color, select the size, add to cart. There you go. And let's go ahead and go to this button that says continue to checkout. Tap on it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and select cash on delivery. All right. If you want to, you can go ahead and use any other payment methods right here. Depending on your region, the selection right here varies. Okay. Or you can go ahead and straight up use your credit or debit card. Just tap on this option and add in your card. Okay, now let's go ahead and tap on Submit Order. In here, it needs a verification code. Just wait for a code and then put that code in here. Now confirm your shipping address right here. If you haven't added a shipping address, you can go ahead and find an Add button in here. Okay, just basically tap on Confirm. And if you want to change it in the future, you have that button in here as well. Now go ahead and scroll down. And once that's done, actually, you're good to go. All right. You can go ahead and check it out. Close it. And just leave. If you want to add more items, you can go ahead and do so. If not, just tap on Leave. And now you can go ahead and go to the U section. All right. And in here, you should be able to see your orders. Tap on it. And there you have it. Okay. As you can see here, it now says Warehouse Processing. That means that the seller is preparing your item. That's basically it. That is how you place an order in Temu. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.